I ordered them, I think it was about 4 days ago, and they've arrived pretty early. And they are a set of king springs, so they're the standard height king springs, whereas the ones that were on the shocks, these are the super lows. So these should do. I'm hoping this is the last time I have to do anything with the suspension. Hopefully it all works out. Alright, so there's your standard height one, and there is our super lows. Yeah, we don't even need spring compressors. That's how low these springs are. Like, it's literally being held in there by zip ties so they don't flop around. This one's that's a perfect example. There we go. We still won't need a spring compressor, which is odd. I was expecting to need one, but I could just push that down and screw that nut on. I don't know if anyone else noticed, those with the keen eye might have, we got some different rims as well. We got some 2010 WRX rims now. These are much lighter than what was on the car as well, because the ones that were on the car, they were so heavy. Alright, so I had to take in the front struts to get the springs taken out, because getting that bolt off was not going to happen here. It just, every time, like, no matter what I used or tried to clamp down the actual shock, I don't know what you'd call it, but it just kept spinning, and I had no way of actually locking that centerpiece, so I had to take that in to get them to undo it for me at the mechanics. And they've forgotten to put my little dust caps back on, but new springs can now go into these ones. Oh yeah, we're definitely not about that stance life. Alright, so I gotta go and pick up my sister, and I gotta go to work as well, so I figured I may as well test out the suspension, see how it is. So the first thing I will point out is the camera is on a very sketchy rig, so it's probably moving a lot more than it would normally be, but at the moment it doesn't feel too bad. It's definitely an improvement from what we had before. Blinded, so it's about the same stiffness, but it's not bouncy. So it's firm, you feel the bumps, but it doesn't kind of like bobble around all the time, whereas the HSDs, you'd feel the bump, but then it kind of like bounce a little bit after as well, and it just got super annoying. Yeah, even on this road, so we're kind of like on a main-ish type road, and it feels a lot more floaty, and yeah, it's not bouncy at all. So I think I definitely might look at some king springs or something for the Lancer, because either the spring is just cooked itself, or the shock is Lancer out for a drive a couple of weeks ago, and then by the end of the drive, that thing was like, that bounced more than this, and by the time I got home, it was severely dipped down on the front right. So that's going to be getting some new parts coming in for that one very soon. But that's it for this one. I do need to get a wheel alignment, because if I let go of the wheel, it takes me straight to the left. So that's it for this one. Hopefully I see you guys in the next one. Hopefully we're getting some work done on the Lancer again.